Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually set up Klaviyo on your browser or PC or whatever it is. So first of all guys, what I need you to do is basically just open any browser in your PC. For me, I'm using, as always, Google Chrome. Now what I'm going to do is search for Klaviyo, and now what I'm going to do is click on this first website. Here you will find the different informations about this platform and what it does and etc. But I assume that you already have an idea about it, but for those who doesn't know, it is basically an e-commerce marketing automation platform. So now let's see their pricing. There is, as you can see, three kinds of pricing. There is the email and SMS, the email one and the free one. Each one of those has their own categories. So here, if you want to make it even higher, you can make it, and it will be more expensive. Now anyway, as you can see here, let's go for sign up or get a demo. And here what you gotta do is just fill these with your informations. So for example, here you put your full name, here your email, here your company name, here your phone number, here your company website, here the number of contacts that you want, and finally here which products are you interested in. So if you want image or only image or only SMS, and here you choose if you want both. And right after here you pick the e-commerce platform. So there is like Shopify, Shopify Plus, WooCommerce, BigCommerce. So these ones are for Shopify, this one is for WordPress, and the rest is like some Wix store, OpenCart. These ones are, I don't know about them, but yeah, the most of them is like two of those are most popular platforms. So after you choose that, you sign up. I'm not a robot. You pick the pictures, and just like so, you will be getting your demo account. If you enjoyed it, you can try any of those emails. If you're not, you can just get out easily. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.